Hello, honors students. Welcome to the Honors College at Lehigh Carbon Community College. My name is Michael, and I'm a learning specialist here at LCCC. As learning specialists, we are key parts of your support network here. We are located in the Educational Support Services area of the college. Our learning specialists can help you in many areas that can help you improve your success here at LCCC and beyond. For instance, I often help honor students navigate their experience with cognitive dissonance. These moments will strike you while you're in college. We can certainly talk about various mindsets and approaches that can help you succeed. Also, you are making the adjustment to college and adjusting what it means to be in the Honors College here at LCCC. I have often helped students successfully navigate that adjustment. Time and project management, better note-taking and writing skills, and balancing the reading load are just a few of the areas I've helped honors students with in the past. Finally, there are many kinds of college challenges ahead of you, and we have a lot of ideas and strategies that can help you be successful. Just reach out to us. So here's our contact information. If there's anything we can do to help you be successful here at LCCC, just let us know. All the best.